I don't know what happened to my video recording, but me assembling all of the different characters did not record. And it did not record me putting together the pieces into the base. I will reference each one of these characters. I have these same little guys in, there's a winter pop-up, and then there's, for the hedgehog, he was a fall pop-up, and they assemble the same way. So you can look at those videos if you need help placing the pieces for them, and I apologize for that. But sometimes things don't go as planned, and this was one of those times. So to prepare the base, I want to make sure that you guys see how to put the bases together so that you don't have a problem with that. And that's why I'm going ahead and doing another video with these. So there'll be, on some of these, well, there'll just be two videos referenced so that you can see how to put these together, okay? So the first thing you do on your base is you're going to glue these 1/4 inch spacings down. And we saw that in that first video. I did that and let it dry while I assembled the raccoon. So you just want to glue all 4 of these tabs down. You get those by following the score lines. I should have shown that again. I'm sorry. Okay, so you've glued down this little 1/4 inch space on the top and bottom of the card. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to see where all of our pieces go. And the envelope goes to the front. And we'll do the hedgehog. He goes in the center. And the hearts are the back. Okay. So then I open it up and I lay down my pieces like so that I don't get them in the wrong order. So I've put this piece through the insert in the top, and then you want to run it through the insert here at the bottom. And you want to make sure that your sides are not over the edge. And then you want to flip this over, fold this piece up, and let's glue it into place. And we're going to glue that right like that. Okay. And then on the next one, you work your way from the back to the front. So you slide this into the slot in the back, and in the top, and slide it through. I can't get it down there. Through the slit in the bottom. Then flip it over, fold this piece up, and we're going to glue this down. Okay, now flip it back over. And you always have one piece that does not have score lines at the bottom, and that piece will be your center. Typically it's the longest piece, the tallest piece, and you slide this in. And now what we're going to do is we're going to fold up this bottom tab. we're going to glue this just to our hedgehog. Okay, so just put glue on the hedgehog, and we're going to just glue this down in place. It's a little bit, the hedgehog's a little bit thick. He has 2 pieces of cardstock glued together, so I just want to apply my pressure long enough that I know that's going to stick. Then we're going to lift up this tab and we're going to glue underneath it to glue this tab in place on the top. And now by doing this, when we push up this base, the top and the bottom go up. And this is what is working it by being glued to this center piece here. Now the next step, you want to fold this bottom tab up, and this tab stays down flat. We're going to bring it over, and we are going to glue these to each other. Okay, so we're just going to put glue just on the tabs. And then we're going to bring this over. And glue this shut. Now you do have some extra bulk in here because of the layers and some of the foam tape we've got. So you need to make sure you're applying some good pressure. And now you can see we've got our tabs on the top and the bottom glued together. And our inserts are coming through to the bottom so that when we push it up, it's lifting everything up. Okay? And now we're going to close it up. Just like that. And that is how each of the cards will go together. Okay? Thank you for joining me.